What is a general store? The general store was a retail or general mercantile in a small town that carries a wide variety of goods, including groceries. In the United States, the general store was the successor of the early trading post, which served early settlers. Old Jefferson Town is pleased to have a general store right here on our grounds. The Reynolds General Store was formerly located in downtown McLough. The general store was not only a store, but may have also functioned in many other ways. It could have been a social hub, a post office, a bank, an undertaker, and many other things. The general store wasn't only a place to obtain groceries. How about farm implements, jewelry, medicine, books, clothing, fabric, and notions, just to name a few. Rural families and travelers used the general store to trade their farm produce for store merchandise. Regular customers were allowed to buy their goods on credit. The storekeeper was later paid when the farmer took the crops or livestock to market. The general store was also a social hub. Most farmers were isolated on their farms, so Saturday was often considered a trading day, hence trading their produce for merchandise. In the winter, it was a common sight to see people gather around the store's potbelly stove, playing checkers or discussing local politics. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the general store in pioneer days. Have a great day.